Hey y'all, welcome back to KY Camping. Today we are wandering into one of the most magical places in Kentucky, Bernheim Forest. If you've never been, buckle up, because this place is part nature sanctuary, part art gallery, and part, wow, I didn't know Kentucky had this. Bernheim sits just south of Louisville, but the moment you roll in, it feels like you've crossed into another world. Over 16,000 acres of protected forests, lakes, trails, and wildlife, all open for folks who just want to breathe a little deeper. And of course, the giants. If you've seen pictures online, trust me, they're even cooler in person. These massive wooden sculptures look like they're straight out of a storybook. Kids love them, adults love them, and honestly, I think they're watching us. Just kidding. Bernheim has over 40 miles of trails from easy strolls to why did I wear jeans level hikes. The canopy walk is a must. Standing above the treetops with that Kentucky breeze rolling through, that's the good stuff. This place is alive. You'll hear woodpeckers, spot turtles sunning on logs, maybe even catch a deer slipping through the brush. Bernheim is one of those rare spots where you can slow down and actually hear the forest. Bernheim isn't just pretty, it's a research forest. They are studying ecosystems, protecting native species, and teaching folks how to care for the land. It's Kentucky's heritage in action. So, whether you're here for a quiet walk, a family adventure, or just to reset your brain for a minute, Bernheim Forest delivers. It's one of the places that reminds you why Kentucky is special. If you enjoyed this little wander through Bernheim, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me your favorite Kentucky spot. And as always, get outside, breathe that Kentucky air, and I'll see you on our next adventure.